Versatile, dependable, and durable, heavy-duty sewing machines are best when it comes to projects that require you to work with thick, difficult-to-maneuver materials. A heavy-duty sewing machine is specially engineered using high-grade construction parts to allow you to work easily with stubborn materials such as upholstery fabrics, denim, canvas, leather, and multiple layers of different materials. A heavy-duty sewing machine is very different from a household sewing machine, as it's built with industry requirements in mind. It incorporates advanced features to deliver a much faster and smoother sewing performance. We have listed the top 5 heavy-duty sewing machines and their key features, plus the things you need to consider to help you choose the best one for you. Links to all the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You could also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, legitpick.com. Number 5. Brother PQ 1500 SL High-Speed Quilting and Sewing Machine. Brother markets this as the quilter's dream machine, and we second that. It's one of the best quilting sewing machines we've ever reviewed, and it's well known for its large workspace. Just one look at the Brother PQ 1500 SL and you'll fall in love with it. The appeal? Its large extension table that allows you to feed long and broad fabrics to the sewing plate without looking like you're handling a lathe machine. The 4 different feed settings are like icing on a cake. It's primarily a straight stitch sewing machine, which means it generates various stitches in a straight pattern, as opposed to zigzag or curvy ones. This may sound like a negative at first, but who wants multiple decorative stitches when you can get the job done in seconds? Oh yes, this sweetheart works at a speed of a whopping 1,500 stitches per minute, putting all of its competition on this list to shame. The top speed can get a bit scary if you've never handled high-speed machines before. It also boasts of a thread tension adjustment dial, a pin feed mechanism for fabric management, and bright LEDs to avoid eye strain. Perhaps one of the best features that distinguishes it from the others is the thread cutter, arguably the most loved feature on sergers. It effortlessly cuts the thread at the end of each sewing session. Lastly, it is a heavy machine. Weighing at around 28 pounds, it's never going to shift, regardless of what material you throw at it, giving you absolute bang for the price. Perfect for home business owners and designers who have large quilting projects that need to be done in less time. Number 4. Janome HD3000. Janome is a well-known brand for heavy-duty sewing machines, and it's also known for making commercial sewing machines that are used in industries to perform heavy tasks on a continuous basis. The machines they produce last years and have interesting features, though you might have to pay a little bit more for the Janome brand sewing machine. The Janome HD3000 has 18 built-in stitch patterns, so we're sure you'll have more than enough choices. It comes with one-step automatic buttonhole that can help you make buttonholes easily and quickly. The machine, because of its weight, which is around 19 pounds, remains still, even when you sew at full speed. You won't find any sewing machine sturdier than Janome HD3000 heavy-duty sewing machine. This sewing machine might not be an expensive heavy-duty sewing machine, but it's worth every cent you spend. The machine's design is wrapped around a metallic frame with dimensions of 11 by 7 by 16 inches. It comes with added features including a free arm, adjustable pressure foot pedal, reserve switch, built-in needle threader, thread cutter, 7-feet feed dog, and more. It's one of the best heavy-duty sewing machines for canvas, denim, and to sew several layers of thick fabrics together. You can also easily stitch synthetic leather, which is considered one of the thickest fabrics around. Number 3. Juki TL-2000 QI. One of the best in the market, which has loads of automated features, such as a better thread tension adjustment system. With automatic thread trimming provides the best tension for both your fabric and thread, and allows you to trim both the thread and bobbin thread with great ease. The Juki TL-2000 QI is equipped with a microprocessor that automates the speed, providing skip-free stitching to suit all types of fabric. With a speed of 1,500 stitches per minute, a max stitch length of 6 mm, and an extension table, the Juki TL-2000 QI provides a comfortable, stable, and flexible broad workspace to let you finish all of your larger projects quickly. Like most modern machines, it features an automatic needle threader, a bed for low vibration operation, and an aluminum die-cast arm. This sewing machine also has built-in LEDs that brightly lights up the area you're working in. The Juki TL-2000 QI stands out due to its industrial engineering. Customers really love the extended work platform, a presser foot, a knee lifter mechanism, making this a favorite among sewers of all skill levels. The main hurdle for customers is its steep price, which means not everyone can afford it. Its functionalities are quite different from other conventional sewing machines, and there is definitely a learning curve with it. Number 2. Singer 4423. The Singer Heavy Duty 4423 is one of the strongest you can get your hands on and is perfect for beginners to professionals. This is a pure commercial grade machine. It has a rugged metal build that can withstand anything and has a corrosion-resistant coating, which makes it almost impregnable to moisture. This model includes 6 basic stitches in its package, 4 stretch stitches, 12 decorative stitches, and 1 style of buttonhole. We weren't happy to note that it forced us to change its stitches from both sides manually, but dial controls are there to make the whole process a cinch. Just turn the dial and you can set the desired stitch. Other than that, this heavy-duty sewing machine boasts a speed up to 1,100 stitches per minute. It comes with an automatic needle threader, an automatic thread cutter, and also a sewing light. Also provided is a soft case to protect the machine from dust when you aren't using it. This model works perfectly with multiple layers of cotton fabric, dacron, canvas, sailcloth, and denim. Lastly, apart from delivering 3 extra sewing feet in this model's package, Singer also offers snap-on presser feet to allow you to change the presser foot in no time at all. Then there's the automatic reverse mechanism, which lets you reinforce the stitches via the aid of a foot control pedal. Interestingly, Singer has a mobile app where you can watch many sewing tutorials and read frequently asked questions. Number 1. Brother ST371 HD Strong and Tough Sewing Machine. A lightweight workhorse that can sew most types of fabric. This is a relatively newer mechanical model by the king of sewing machine brands, Brother. The ST371 HD comes with 37 built-in stitches that will actually come in handy for a small home business. Are you always on the lookout for decorative stitches for your clients? This Brother heavy-duty sewing machine can also be your fashion assistant with its variety of stitches including blind, zigzag, and buttonhole. The 6 types of sewing feet is another great advantage. The zipper foot and free arm are something you're going to use on almost a daily basis. One-step buttonhole, double needle, automatic bobbin winder, quick needle threader, and single dial operation are other impressive highlights. And while you're working on your projects, don't worry about straining your eyes because the working area is lit with long-lasting LEDs. Blind hem a pair of jeans or work on a tote bag for your online store. This model is arguably the best in the price range that is both versatile and portable. It's designed to sew through all types of materials, from lightweight silks to heavy-duty fabrics like leather and denim, thanks to the strong needles and powerful motor. We tested it on 6 layers, and the needle sews through it like a hot knife through butter. While this is not the lightest machine we have reviewed, the Brother ST371 HD Strong and Tough Sewing Machine certainly can be packed in a small bag and taken along. Brother is a leader in the sewing machine industry, and with this inexpensive heavy-duty sewing machine, it leaves nothing to complain about. Can be mastered by both beginners and advanced users. The heavy-duty sewing machines are meant to perform heavy-duty tasks, and they can stand long hours of use per day. Although most of these types of sewing machines come with manual control, which could be an advantage for some people, others may not like it. We've spent hours on research and handpicked the market's best sewing machines to choose from. You can pick any one of them based on your needs and requirements, provided the chosen model fits your budget. Let us know in the comments below which heavy-duty sewing machine you're going to choose. Thanks for watching, and that's all for this video. If you like this one and it helped you in any way, please give it a like. And if you don't want to miss future videos, subscribe to the channel. Till next time, see you guys later.